How much is this? How much is this? តើនេះតម្លៃប៉ុន្មាន It's $10. It's $10. តម្លៃ$10. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តធ្វើអ្វី I like to read books. I like to read books. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអានសៀវភៅ Can you help me? Can you help me? តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ Yeah, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. ចាខ្ញុំអាចជួយអ្នកបាន Are you married? Are you married? តើអ្នករៀបការហើយឬនៅ Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. ចាខ្ញុំរៀបការហើយ Do you have children? Do you have children? តើអ្នកមានកូនទេ Yeah, I have one son. Yes, I have one son. ចាខ្ញុំមានកូនប្រុសម្នាក់